How to share your Shein wishlist with friends. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Did you know you could add your favorite items to a wishlist and share with your friends? Yes, in order to do this, first of all you'll have to tap open your Shein application and go to your profile section. Under my orders, you will see the option of wishlist and recently view. Tap on view all. Here are all the items that you have added to wishlist. If you have not added any item, just tap on the item that you like, and on the bottom left corner you will see a heart icon. Tap on it and it will turn it into black, which means it has been added to your wish list. Now what you have to do is you can see that there is no option by which you can share all the wish lists at once, which means you cannot share all the 3 items that you have added to the wish list currently. However, if you tap on any of the item of the wish list, there is a share option available. But if you want to share your wish list at once, go to the board section or tab and create a new board. This way you should be able to share all of your wish list. Just give a unique name to your board and tap on create board. Now select the items for your wish list that you want to share and you're good to go. Now if you go to the boards tab, here is the option to share it. Tap on the 3 dots with shared icon and then copy the link. So this is how you can share your wishlist with your friends on Shein application. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.